Hello guys, welcome to Tarkashastra. My name is Aniket. So, Monday to Friday at 3 p.m. we come live on YouTube and we solve previous year CAT questions. So, today we are solving CAT 2019's slot 1's DI set. It is a very easy set and the motive of these sessions is to explain you how easy the CAT exam is. So, let us directly jump to the question. So, the question says a new game show has A new game show on TV has 100 boxes numbered 1 to 100 in a row, each containing a mystery prize. The prizes are items of different types ABC. तो क्या है हमारे पास boxes है 1, 2, 3 up to 100. Okay, and then there are certain prizes in it ABC in decreasing order of value. So A being the highest value, then B, then C. So these are your prizes. The most expensive item is of type A, a diamond ring. Okay, so type A is the most expensive. Okay, a diamond ring, and there is exactly one of these. है ना? So there is exactly one of these in one of these 100 boxes. You are told that the number of items at least doubles as you move to the next type. So type A to type B. Now type A ka we know that it is having, I mean there is exactly one of those diamond rings. So type B would be at least 2, not exactly 2, but at least 2. Then type C would be 2 times of B. Type D would be 2 times of C, and so on. That these values in circle, they are the least values. Okay. Next type, for example, there would be at least twice as many items of type B as type A, and at least twice as many items of type B as of type A, and at least twice as many items of type C as of type B, and so on. There is no particular order in which the prices are placed in the box, है ना? So order मतलब there it is not necessary कि first box will have diamond ring. It can be anywhere. All these prices can be placed anywhere. Now what are they asking? What is the minimum possible number of different types of prices? Minimum possible number of different types of prices. We want to find out minimum possible. So A and B. A will have one. I mean there is only one diamond ring, right? And then B would have remaining 99. And we are satisfying all the conditions. If you see, what is the condition? That type B must be at least twice that of type A. So total is 100. So minimum possible number of different types of prizes is 2. है ना? Only two types of prizes, type A and type B. Correct? Simple question. Next one. What is the maximum possible number of different types of prizes? Now, to find out the maximum number of prizes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on, to find out the maximum number of prizes, what we must do? We must give the minimum value to all the types of prizes. So A would have 1, B would have 2, C would have 4. है ना? They should be at least twice. So exactly twice would do. Then D would be 8 times, E would be 16 times. कितने हो गए? So this is 3, this is 7, this is 15, this is 31. This would be 32. So total 63 items. Now this is 64. Now 63 plus 64, is it possible? It would go beyond 100. So it is not possible. But then G has to be minimum 64. G has to be minimum 64. Why? Because 32 का twice रहना चाहिए ना. It should be at least twice of this 32. So this 64 is not possible. So G cannot beat the value. So now what we can have, A, B, C, D, E, F. Maximum 6 possible different types of prizes we can have, in which A, B, C, D, E, and F. A can be 1, B can be 2, C can be 4, D can be 8, E can be 16, and F can be 69. Okay. G, if we have G, G has to be 64. 64 plus 63, it would go beyond 100 and we won't be able to satisfy the condition that there are only 100 boxes. You know, that constraint we have. So what is the maximum possible number of different types of prices? We have six different prices maximum. We can have six different prices maximum. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not possible? Which of the following is not possible? Okay. So we try to make different permutations for these and try to solve them. So for this one, there are exactly 30 atoms of B. So A, B, and C. So A ka one atom, B would have 30, and C would have remaining 69, and the condition is satisfied. है ना? This is possible, right? This one is possible. So this is definitely not our answer. Why? Because we want to find out not possible. Then there are exactly 75 items of E. So A, B, C, D, E. Exactly 75 of E. So this is 75. This is 1. We know that. Okay. This can be 2. This can be 4. How many are left? 7 are done, right? 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4 is 7 are done. 75. So 82 are done. So remaining 18 are here. Okay, all the conditions are satisfied. A's double is 2, 2's double is 4, 4 and 4's double is 8, but we have 18, है ना? So D must have at least twice of C. D must have at least twice of C, but D has more than twice of C. That is okay with us. And E is also having more than twice of D, so that is also satisfied. So this condition is also possible, and that is why second one is not our answer, because we want to find out the option which is not possible. Now third, there are 60 items of D. So A, B, C, D. So this is 60. This is 1. Correct. Now B can have 2. C can have remaining. So how much remaining are there? How much remaining are there? Mm, remaining are 37. This condition does not work. Now, can there be anything else which would work? If this is, so A, B, C, D, if this is 60, this has to be 30. And it has to be 30 or less than 30. A is 1, it is given to us. Now B would be the remaining value, that is 9. Okay, here again all the conditions are satisfied. B is more than twice of A, C is more than twice of B, D is twice of C. So all the conditions are satisfied. So this is also possible, and this is not your answer. And so fourth has to be your answer. Let us try to check it. A, B, C, okay, and let us say D. C has 45 items. Then D needs to have minimum 90 items, which is not possible. Why? Because 45 plus 90 would go beyond 100. So this is not possible. A has 1 item. Now remaining total, which is 100. So remaining 54 must be with B, which is not possible. Why? Because C must have more than twice of B. C must have more than twice of B, and hence fourth one is the case which is not possible. Okay, very easy set. Last question. You ask for the types of atoms in type of atom in box 45. Instead of being given a direct answer, you are told that there are 31 items of the same time as box 45 in box 1 to 44. So 1 to 44. So let us say type 45, box 45 has X item. है ना? It can be B or C or D, whatever. ठीक है ना? It can be B, C, D, whatever it is. So this is X. Among 1 to 44, there are 31 times you will find this type of item, that is 31X. Correct. And 43 items of the same types in 45 as box 45 in box 46 to 100. Okay, 43 items of the same time as box 45 in box 46 to 100. So 46 to 100, the same type is repeated 43 times. 43x. Correct. What is the maximum possible number of different items, different types of items we can have? What is the maximum possible number of different types of items we can have? Now, this 31x plus x is how much? 32x plus 43x. So total is 75x. Now A, B, C, D. Now this is 75x. Remaining 25 must be of different type. Yes or no? Because these 75 are of same type. Remaining 25 must be of different type. Total is 100. Now these 25 we try to distribute it here. How can we do it? A will have 1, B will have 2. Why? Because we want to find out the maximum possible number of different types of items. C will have 4, D will have 8. How many? 1, 2, this is 7, this is 15. Then 15 के बाद E would have 16. But we cannot distribute 16. Why? Because we have 25 to spare, right? 75 are of same type, and then we have remaining 25 to spare. So this is not possible. So what we can do? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 4. Mm, so 7 are gone. We can have 18 of these type here. 18 of type D. Okay, 18 of type D. Correct. And that type E would be of would be 75. Yes or no? This is also one of the type. Now this X is also one of the type. So that is type E. These are the maximum number of different prices we can have. Okay. So what are the maximum number of different prices we can have? 5. Correct. This set is very easy. Even I mean now understand one thing. In CAT you get marks for solving the question, not for solving the set. If you find this question difficult, don't solve it. The remaining 3 questions are very easy. You get those and move to the next set. है ना? They are not asking you to solve all the questions of all the set, all the question of a particular set, and then only you'll get the marks. In one set, even if you get one question, that is sufficient for us. Na? So that is the strategy. Okay. Chalo. You can connect to us on any one of these 3 social media platforms. Visit our website tarkashastra.co.in and you can send WhatsApp number on WhatsApp message on any one of these 2 numbers. Thank you so much.